Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Wa asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lahu. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Wa a'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Qsharebd. Qsharebd is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson number 24. In this lesson we will try to understand the Kaana and its sisters particles or words. Also, we will try to compare the role of Kaana and Inna in the sentence. So let's start. Kaana, this is the Inna and its sister group that we have learned in our previous lesson. Inna, the six members of Inna group, Inna, Anna, Lakinna, La'alla and Laita. And this is the Kaana and its sister, the Kaana group members. Kaana means was, Laisa means not to be, the negation of verb to be, like I am not, it is not, that is not, he is not. That type of sentence the Laisa is used. Kaana and Laisa also we have already learned in our previous lesson. Now these are the other member of Kaana groups. The Sara means to become, and Asbaha means also to become, but this become means the event that happened in the morning time can be expressed by using this Asbaha. And Amsa means to become also, that happened in the evening. And Adha means to become, that happened in the noon. Solla means become to that happened at daytime, and Bada means to become, that happen at night. So these are the meaning of Kaana and its member. So today we will try to understand what are the role of Kaana and its member. If we know the one particle, the function and the role, the other will be same. And remember that the Kaana function in the sentence is opposite of Inna and its member. We will see this now. So if we want to say the house is big, then this is the simple sentence is al-baitu kabirun. Now if we want to say like this, the house was big, that means I want to use this particular Kaana, the verb Kaana means was. I want to use before this sentence. The house was big. Then bring this Kaana here. The Kaana, after putting this Kaana here, then Kaana will make some necessary changes of this subject al-baitu. Also the Kaana will change the predicate kabirun as well. What will change the Kaana will do? The Kaana will change the dhamma of this predicate to fatha. Now the kabirun is the nominative case. After changing to fatha, it will be accusative case. Kaana never accept nominative case or dhamma of the predicate. Kaana can accept, Kaana always accept the dhamma or nominative case for this word just after this Kaana. The word just after the Kaana, the dhamma is okay, no problem. But the predicate cannot be dhamma. Predicate must be accusative case. So if we want to put Kaana before this sentence, the sentence change to al-baitu kabiran. Kaana al-baitu kabiran. Now let's send this Kaana to his house. Now if we want to say like this, indeed the house is big, that means I want to bring this particular Inna means indeed. So bring this particle here before this sentence, then this inna will change the nominative case of this first word to accusative case, because inna never accept dhamma of the first word, and inna cannot accept fatha on the second word on the predicate, just opposite of kana. So if we want to put inna here, then this dhamma will be fatha and this fatha will be dhamma, just opposite of kana. So after if we want to put the kana, then we have to make these changes. It will be like this: inna al baita kabirun. Inna always prefer the accusative case or fatha, just the word after inna, and the predicate also will be dhamma, nominative case. This is the role of inna, just opposite role of kana. Now send back this inna to his house. Now if we want to make like this, the house is not big, that means I want to use this Lysa here. Lysa means is not. If we want to make bring the Lysa here, the Lysa also do the same function like kana. Kana and Lysa and all other member doesn't accept fatha here. That must be dhamma, and also here the dhamma will be changed to fatha. This is the kana and its members group function. So if we want to put Lysa here, so these two harkat will be interchanged. So it will be Lysa al baitu kabiran. This is the way the kana and its group function. Now send back this Lysa to his house. Now if we want to make the sentence like this, that the house is big. That the house is big, that means I want to use this particular anna. Anna means that the house is big. So bring this anna here. If we bring this anna here, the anna will change this dhamma to fatha and this fatha to dhamma, like in inna, because it is the inna group member. So after putting inna, these two harkat will change again. So it will be anna al baita kabirun, that the house is big. So this way the kana and its group and the inna and its group do the necessary role function in the sentence. Kana is just opposite of inna. All member of kana do the function just like opposite of inna and its members. It's very simple, nothing difficult, but I have just compiled the things together so that you can clearly understand the role of inna and its group and kana and its group. So that's end of the lesson 24. Thank you for watching.